How to fix TikTok Live not working or not showing on your device. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if your device is not showing the live option on TikTok, what you can do is, first of all, go to TikTok. After you do that, go to your profile. Now, you must keep one thing in mind that in order to make live, you must be 18 plus and have 1000 followers. So, after those requirements are met, you can do live. However, if the live option is not showing on your device, what you can do is, first of all, go to settings, then go to apps. Now, search for TikTok and go to storage uses and clear case. After you do that, go to TikTok and see if you can find the live option. If it is not still there, then what you can do is go to your profile, then in the top right go to the 3-bar option and go to settings. After you do that, scroll to the bottom of the page and go to help center. From here, go to report a problem. Now it can show you this type of page. From here, go to need more help. Then over here you can see various problems. Tap on live. After you do that, you can send a message to TikTok and hopefully your problem can be solved. So this is how you can fix your live not showing up on a device. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.